Hello, my name is Daniel Bolt.
Since 2016, I've been in charge of operations at the European Parts Distribution Centre, EPDC, in Bruchsal. At the EPDC in Bruchsal, we have the advantage of diverse teams which complement each other particularly well in order to achieve the best possible results and to successfully supply our customers worldwide with spare parts in a timely manner. Our success speaks for us. For some years now, we've been pursuing the goal of employing more women in operations. Currently, in the EPDC, there are just under 12% women and 88% men. As early as 2018, we've already shown to have been a pioneer in that regard in the so-called inbound sector. 32 women were employed in operations. In the same year, General Supervisor Tobias Hasselberger and his management team received the so-called Diversity and Inclusion Award for this. This strategy has proven itself for us since then and is also reflected in the success of the EPDC. John Deere focuses on adapting framework conditions and structures to better enable women to make an active contribution to the company's success in warehouse logistics and in the factory environment. For example, we offer part-time models in single shift in the operations at individual needs and try to accommodate our employees who are heavily involved in their private lives due to childcare or care situations by being flexible. We also invest in ergonomic improvements such as height adjusters and lifting equipment to improve working conditions in the warehouse. We would be very happy to further develop the goal of having more women working for the EPDC. We have various positions in warehouse logistics that are held by both men and women, such as warehouse worker. With us, women drive forklifts or narrow aisle truck, pack, pick orders or repack. In addition, women work in so-called operations-related areas, such as in the receiving and shipping office, and there are women working as supervisor in the warehouse. As you can see, you can achieve anything in the EPDC if you only dare to start your career with us in operations. This is also shown by the example of Mrs. Stegmuller.
Hello, my name is Marina Stegmuller. Since 2021, I've been the supervisor of Shift 1 of the packaging department in the EPDC. I've been with Deere for 10 years and started with writing my master thesis in the HR department Bruchsal. Since then, I've held various human resources positions at the Bruchsal and Mannheim sites. The move to operations was very interesting for me because it meant getting involved in a completely new working environment. Looking back, I'm very happy with this decision. Together, we act reliably hand in hand to supply our customers with parts at the right time, in the right place. Embark on new professional paths and move from your personal comfort zone to a working environment. I can recommend working in the EPDC in warehouse logistics because, amongst other things, you can expect many exciting areas of responsibility here and you'll be able to work with a lot of great people.
Hello, I'm Elnord Cabrati and I'm 30 years old. I started working at John Deere 11 years ago as a warehouse worker and now I'm a parts depot administrator at the packaging department. I'm happy to be a part of this team.
Hi, my name is Michelle Zober. I'm 23 years old and I've been working at the EPDC here in Bruchsal for 2 years. What I particularly like here is that we're such a great team and support each other across departments.
Hello, my name is Vincent Joram. I'm 29 years old. I started here in 2021 as a warehouse worker and was recently promoted to a warehouse specialist. Do you want to be part of the company? Then apply now. Our strength is that men and women work together successfully as a team. At the EPDC, we're setting a good example, especially in the area of logistics. If you are also interested in broadening your horizons in operations in the EPDC at John Deere, we look forward to hearing from you.